Good morning, and let's talk about apostrophes today. What is an apostrophe? Well, an apostrophe is a punctuation mark used as a contraction. Okay, it's used as a contraction to replace missing letters. The contraction, for example, I'm would be I am. So the apostrophe is a contraction putting I am together. Okay. It also can be used to show possessions. Okay, to show possession of something. So this is Mary's car. This is Mary's car. Mary apostrophe plus the S. So a punctuation mark is a contraction. It also tells us many things, okay? It also tells us when we see an apostrophe in a sentence, we know straight away, or we should know straight away, that this is an informal sentence, okay? Because an apostrophe is a short form of word, okay? Short form of words. So an apostrophe is short form. Short form equals contraction. It is a contraction word, okay? It is a contraction word. Then that tells us a contraction is making it informal. So for example, if you I am Anthony, it's formal. I'm Anthony is informal. You wouldn't use apostrophes in any business related letters, resumes, CVs, the same as a resume. Anything business, you wouldn't use an apostrophe, okay? So remember, check your resumes. It might just help you get that interview. It might just help you get that job, because if there's two Anthonys with the both have the same education, both have the same experience, both have the same personality, okay? Both have the same personality. The HR manager, which one shall I choose? Okay, maybe I have to go with the one for the interview or for the job with the one that's showing correct grammar, okay? Formal resume, formal cover letter, formal business letter, okay? So that might just get you a job or an interview, okay? So an apostrophe, remember, an apostrophe is a short form word. It's also a contraction which leads to informal. So you don't even have to read the sentence to know that it's informal. As soon as you see a contraction, you actually know it's informal. Okay, have a nice day. Take care. Stay safe, everybody. Bye. Bye for now. Bye-bye.